This is Robert. Okay, yeah, a little bit on the throttle. Okay, one smooth, and there we go. Okay, yeah. Okay, just a little curve. Yeah. I've been texting you, so just to confirm, this is a verification. Oh, okay, yeah, going a little heavy there. My number 702-342-1724. Yep. Okay. Just going a little bend here. Gotta hold on to it. Okay. So I'm just doing this. Yeah. Hold on. Just doing this verification for you. Today is December 15th, 2025. Yeah. Okay. So just taking a drive for you to know the car's okay, and this is me. You know, it's really well and working really good. Just a verification here. Okay, it's going